The day begins with a morning briefing led by the executive housekeeper. Here, the team receives their duty assignments, updates on guest requests, and reminders on safety and hotel standards. Room attendants follow standard operating procedures when cleaning guest rooms. The process begins with knocking and greeting. The cleaning process begins by airing the room using proper ventilation to remove any unpleasant odors or stuffy air. This step helps refresh the entire space and ensures the environment feels clean, calm, and comfortable. A well-ventilated room gives guests a pleasant first impression. The room attendant then carefully changes all the bed linens, ensuring that each sheet and pillowcase is clean, smooth, and properly arranged. Every step is done with attention to detail to make the bed look fresh and inviting. After finishing the bed, he begins vacuuming the entire floor area carefully, removing any fine dust, hair, or small particles that may not be seen at first glance. He pays close attention to corners, edges, and areas around the furniture to ensure nothing is missed. By vacuuming thoroughly, the room becomes cleaner, fresher, and more comfortable for the next guest to enjoy. Next, the houseman assists with heavier tasks that the room attendant may not be able to handle alone. This includes moving heavy furniture, shifting items to create space for proper cleaning, and helping to position everything back neatly once the work is done. His support ensures that the cleaning process is safer, more efficient, and completed to a high standard. In the next task, the houseman helps by vacuuming the floor to remove any dust, dirt, or small particles that may be left behind. He carefully works around the furniture and along the edges of the room, making sure every area is cleaned thoroughly. His assistance helps keep the cleaning process efficient and ensures the room is well prepared for the next guest. During the cleaning process, the room attendant lifts the pillow and discovers a wallet hidden underneath. Following the hotel's lost and found procedures, he immediately stops his work and carefully picks it up. He then prepares to report the item to the supervisor or the executive housekeeper, ensuring it is handled properly. This leads to the next step, where he meets the executive housekeeper in the office to hand over the wallet. The executive housekeeper calls the housekeeping supervisor to his office, holding the found wallet as he prepares to hand it over for proper documentation. The housekeeping supervisor arrives at the executive housekeeper's office, responding promptly to the call. The executive housekeeper carefully hands over the found wallet, along with a lost and found form. He explains the importance of recording the item properly, ensuring it is documented accurately in the hotel's procedure. In the public area attendant continues with his routine tasks, maintaining the cleanliness and appearance of the space. He carefully wipes down the shoe rack, paying attention to every corner and surface to ensure it is spotless and presentable for guests. After finishing, he moves on to sweeping the floor, keeping the area neat and well-maintained as part of the hotel's daily upkeep. As the attendant continues his duties, a guest walks by. The public area attendant pauses briefly and offers a warm, polite smile, demonstrating friendly service and creating a welcoming atmosphere for everyone passing through. In the final stage, The executive housekeeper enters a freshly cleaned guest room to conduct a thorough inspection. He checks every detail carefully, from the sharpness of the bed corners to the cleanliness of the bed sheets, the condition of the walls, and any trace of dust around the room. After confirming that everything meets the hotel's standards, he nods in approval. He then updates the room status through his walkie-talkie, confirming that the room is now ready for the next guest.